Hey guys, this is a YouTube channel that focuses on teaching high yield concept of medicine under 2 minutes, or at least I try to do so. So today we'll be talking about the anatomy and physiology of pituitary gland. So let's get started. We'll start by labeling this diagram, what I've drawn here, this ugly thing. So this is the optic chiasm. And basically this is the anterior pituitary and this is the posterior pituitary, and this portion here above the anterior posterior pituitary, this is the hypothalamus. Obviously above the hypothalamus would be the thalamus, and this body you see here which is hanging like this, if you see this diagram, this would be the mammillary body. So this is the basic diagram. Whatever we are going to learn is going to be inside this diagram now. So first we'll come to the anterior pituitary. So in the anterior pituitary you see glandular cells which are composed of this thing, lactotropes, which make prolactin, gonadotropes which make FSH and LH, thyrotropes which make TSH, thyrotropes and somatotropes which makes growth hormones. So the thing to remember here, the peculiar thing to remember here is that this anterior pituitary is glandular, okay, which basically this type of cells which are called as somatotropes, lactotropes, or these type of like cells, somatotrope, gonadotropes, lactotropes, and they make their respective hormones, okay. There's also one thing called corticotropes which make ACTH, corticotropes. So why I told this is, now we'll move on to posterior pituitary. Now you have to understand the difference between anterior and posterior pituitary. So what happens in posterior pituitary? Posterior pituitary secretes only two hormones which are oxytocin and ADH. And these hormones are basically not made in posterior pituitary. They are made, synthesized by these two neuronal bodies in the hypothalamus. The one you see here, it is paraventricular nucleus, and the green one you see here is supraoptic nucleus. Now they make, in their cells they make oxytocin and ADH, and the oxytocin and ADH which is made is transported in anterograde fashion, okay, down in the same neurons along with chemicals called as neurophysins. Let me write it down for you. Neurophysins, and neurophysins are secreted along with ADH and oxytocin. Neurophysins protect the hormones while the hormones are being transported down the axon, and they have several other mechanisms and role. That's not very important for us, but what important is that where anterior pituitary has these cells, posterior pituitary has only like an artery entering here, and the artery giving branches and branches and branches, and then veins. So this is the hypophyseal so veins, and what happens is this paraventricular and supraoptic nucleus release their hormones over here in the blood. So the hormones are produced here in the hypothalamus, in the supraoptic and paraventricular nucleus, synthesized here, transported into vesicles in the neurons, and released in the blood over here in the posterior pituitary. That's the most important part. So that was the anatomy and physiology of pituitary gland. Bye bye.